Why do we cough? Answer B, throat irritation. What determines your voice pitch? Answer A, vocal cord length. What causes hiccups? Answer B, diaphragm spasms. How does high altitude affect breathing? Answer B, harder breathing. Why does steam help with congestion? Answer B, moistens airways. What is asthma? Answer B, lung inflammation. How do the lungs filter air? Answer A, mucus in airways. What is the windpipe technically called? Answer B, trachea. Why do we breathe faster when anxious? Answer B, stress response. Why does breathing into a paper bag help during hyperventilation? Answer C, rebalances CO2 levels.